What home maintenance tasks can help reduce the risk of water damage during Florida's rainy season? Here's a question for you. When was the last time you walked around the outside of your home? If it's been a while, now's the perfect time. Florida's rainy season is here, and over the next few months, we'll continue to see those afternoon storms roll through. And one question we hear is, what home maintenance tasks can help reduce the risk of water damage? Here are a few things worth checking. Let's start with your gutters. If they're clogged with leaves or debris, rainwater can't flow where it's supposed to. Instead, it can overflow, run down the side of your home, or collect near the foundation. Cleaning your gutters and making sure your downspouts are directing water away from your home is one of the easiest maintenance tasks you can do at this time of the year. Next, let's look at your roof, but do it safely from the ground. After heavy rain or strong winds, look for anything that seems out of place, like missing, lifted, or even damaged shingles. Even if you don't see water inside your home, it's a good idea to address roof issues sooner than later. Now walk around your windows and exterior doors. Florida's heat, humidity, and sun can cause caulking and weather stripping to dry out, crack, or pull away over time. If you notice gaps around the frames, replacing those seals is a relatively inexpensive project that can help keep rain where it belongs, outside. While you're walking around the house, pay attention to how water drains around your property. If you know standing water near the foundation after it rains, or your downspouts are dumping water right next to your home, it may be time to make a few adjustments. Water should always drain away from your home, not towards it. And don't forget to look up. Tree branches hanging over the roof can scrape shingles during windy storms or break off and cause damage. Keeping trees properly trimmed can go a long way to protecting your home throughout the rainy season. Think of it this way. Your home is about to go through months of almost daily rain. If there's a small maintenance issue today, every storm is another opportunity for it to get worse. That's why now is the time to inspect your home, not after you discover there's a problem. If you have questions about your homeowner's insurance or would like to review your coverage, give one of our trusted insurance advisors a call at 727-748-2886. We'd be happy to make sure you have the protection you need before the next storm rolls through.